Hey guys, I'm Derek. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching this video today. We have a super clean giveaway at the end of the video. If you want to just skip past the stuff, I'd appreciate it if you did watch it, but you can go ahead and just kind of find where I start talking about the giveaway at the end of the video. First, let's talk about how much money I made in small engine repair this summer. So basically, I have a small engine repair business where I do work on other people's machines, repair them and give them back to them. I did pretty well this summer, all things considered. So I need to make this super clear for you guys first. This is just a little small side hustle that I have. There's not a ton of money. I bet there's some people that have blown this much money on booze and gambling in one weekend that I'm talking about that I made over the whole summer. But we're talking about a few hours that I've spent on this and a decent chunk of change. And so let's just get right into it. Basically, I fixed and flipped 10 different machines this summer. 3 of them I sold for a cost of what I paid to buy them because I ran out of time and ran out of space in here to work on them. It was 1 zero-turn and 2 lawn tractors. I paid way too much money for them. It just wasn't gonna work out. I broke even on them. 1 I lost money on, and that was pretty unfortunate. I lost about 40 bucks because it was another zero turn that just wasn't in as good a shape as I was led to believe, and I decided to quit while I was just a little bit behind instead of getting really far behind. I have a little spreadsheet here that I've kept track of all this on, the cost to buy the machines, the parts I put into them, and then the amount of money I made. So basically, we have 2 separate things here, fix and flips and then customer mowers. The fix and flips are separate from my business. The customer mowers falls under my LLC that I run my YouTube channel under. It will be the dump trailer business and this little small engine repair business. Basically, it's just lawnmower repair. So basically, with all that being said, the amount of profit that I made off of fix and flips here this summer was $457. It's actually $456.99, but we'll call it $457. That was a decent chunk of change. That mostly came from push mowers. 1 mower was a self-propelled mower that I actually bought for $40 on Facebook out of season and then sold it in season for $120. I didn't even have to do anything with it. I didn't even touch it outside of putting it away and then pulling it out to show the person that was buying it. So I don't run the fix and flips under my business. This is just like personal stuff. Now my business side, I have about 6 customers that I did work for, and that's honestly good because I've doubled every year. I started about 3 years ago and I had 1 customer, then I went to 2 customers the next year, and 3 customers. Actually it went 1 customer, 2 customers, and now this summer I had 6 customers. Yes, 6 customers, and these were all word of mouth. I literally do not advertise. I do have a fictitious name I run my small engine repair business with, but it falls under my LLC. But I don't advertise. I'm not on Google, nothing. It's all just comes from word of mouth, and I'm happy with that because I don't want to give anybody the false impression that I am this great small engine mechanic that can repair anything that they need to bring to me. Because I'm definitely not. I just am pretty good with fixing push mowers. I can sharpen blades, do oil changes, change spark plugs, anybody can do that. Clean carburetors, I've made adjustments, I've dug into valves a few times. I can do some small stuff, change flywheel keys, things like that. Simple things that don't really take deep depth of knowledge, especially because if the motor goes on these machines, basically it's just time to buy a new mower. So this stuff really works for me pretty well, and if I haven't said it already, I made $261.50. So hour for hour that I spent, I made way more money repairing customer machines. I probably didn't spend more than 5 or 6 hours to make that amount of money. Maybe 6 to 7 when everything's all said and done. But basically, I shoot for 50 bucks an hour because the government's gonna take 15 to 30% of that. I'm not exactly sure how much it is. It's like 15% for self-employment, but they tell you to hang on to 30 just in case. So I really only make like $30 to $40 an hour. And because I've spent enough time and I've worked on this for long enough, I feel like I'm probably worth about that much, especially because I have such little overhead and everything. It's just not worth my time to do it for less than that. So basically that's what I charge. So hopefully next summer I can do this again, double again, and maybe work on like 12 different lawnmowers, just get them tuned up, ready to go, get their fuel systems cleaned out, sharpen mower blades, whatever they need. I really wouldn't mind keeping it probably under 20 machines a year because this small engine repair thing is not really something that I intend to pursue very much. I did think at one point that I would try and pursue it as a solid side business. As I get a little bit further on, I kind of don't really know that I want to mess with it. So it's just a fun little side hobby that I do to make extra money, basically. So we're talking about a grand total of $717. See why some of you guys have probably wasted that much money on booze and gambling in a weekend. I know it's not a ton of money, but like I said, I did just a few machines and I only really spent a few hours on it. It was decent money to be made. You know, I would have liked to probably spend a few less hours doing it than I probably did, but you know, that just comes with time and experience and everything. And that's what I figure I'm doing here, is getting experience. I'm definitely not complaining about an extra 800 bucks in my pocket, 700 bucks in my pocket, whatever it was, to spend on other things, do with other things. You know, that's part of how I bought my dump trailer, because some of that was my business money that I made. So, you know, put it toward my dump trailer. Gonna start another little side hustle that I hope to maybe make me more money than Small Engine Repair has. So anyway, guys, let's get to the Super Clean giveaway. Basically, I can pick 3 winners, but we're only gonna do 2 because there would be 1 winner from TikTok, and I actually do have a TikTok, but I don't really know that I'm gonna do TikTok. I mostly just kind of enjoy watching a few different videos. I like watching the farm videos on there, and that well and septic life guy. I really enjoy some of his content. But anyway, so we're gonna have 2. We're gonna have 1 on Instagram, so I'll make an Instagram post, and then we'll have 1 on YouTube. And so basically, you just need to go comment below saying whatever you want to say in the comments. You know, being relevant to the video would be nice. That's going to get you entered in for the giveaway. And we'll just do a random comment picker on the YouTube giveaway. And then with Instagram, with the Instagram giveaway, basically you need to go like and you need to follow me, and then comment on the Super Clean giveaway post. And then I'll select a random comment from there as well. So we'll have 2 different winners. And basically what you win is 1 bottle of original Super Clean and 1 can of Super Clean aerosol. So you can get that free shipped to your door. If you don't know what Super Clean is, it's a degreaser, one of the best degreasers out there on the market as far as I'm concerned, at least consumer grade. Basically, I'm just going to announce both winners. Let's see, I'll announce the YouTube winner in the community section, and let's say it's Friday night now, and I should have this video edited and uploaded tomorrow on Saturday morning. So let's say by Monday night, which would be August 9th. So let's say about 6 p.m. Actually, let's say 7 p.m. I will let you know who the winner is on YouTube in the community page. Basically, I'm just gonna make one of those posts with a picture. And then Instagram, I'll just make an Instagram post for the Instagram winner. So I'll mention these details again in the winner posts. But basically what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to go to my YouTube account, and you're gonna need to go down where it says view email or something like that. Basically there's an email address there, but you can't just see it. You have to like show that you're not a robot, and it's gonna tell you that it's for business inquiries only, which is true. I prefer mail to come in by letter mail, because basically I've just had a lot of people coming to me for like personal questions on products and things like that through email, which for a little while was cool, but it actually got to be a little bit too much, especially welding questions about things that I just really couldn't answer, and questions that they probably should be asking manufacturers and things like that that I just simply am not being paid to do. So if there is something urgent, I don't mind a quick email, or something that you really want to mention or whatever. I don't mind an email like that. It's not a big deal. With the giveaway, because that's what we're here to talk about, definitely go ahead and use that email and send me your name and your address, and Super Clean will have that shipped over to you. But I guess since we're talking about that, the other good way to get a hold of me is just to go to my Instagram. If you just want to chat real quick, you know, I like talking to people. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.